How to use Telegram. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Telegram and make the most of its features. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, download and install the Telegram app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign up using your phone number. And then write down your email address. Verify your email address. And then you also have to verify your phone number. After verifying your number, set up your profile name and picture to personalize your account. Now, on the home screen, you'll see your chats. To start a new chat, tap on the pencil icon and select a contact. You can also create groups to chat with multiple people at once. To join Telegram channels and groups, tap on the search bar, type the name of a channel or topic, and join the one you like. Channels allow you to receive updates, while groups let you chat with others. If you want to send media, stickers, or voice messages, simply tap on the attachment icon in the chat and select the file you want to share. For extra privacy, you can use secret chats, which come with end-to-end encryption and a self-destruct timer for messages. That's all for the video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful videos. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.